This isn't here, the 4-bedroom is a different architecture, different style basically. If you turn towards this side as you enter the apartment, we have a closed Majlis with its own separate attached bathroom. And here is the main apartment itself, which is, if you move towards this side, it's a hall. Plus balcony, so there is one balcony here, one in the Majlis. The kitchen is a closed type kitchen as well. Nice, massive, it's huge in size compared to the other one that we saw a bit while earlier. Here we have a separate laundry area as well. And we have one room, guest toilet on my back over here, and room 2, room 3, which is master, and room 4 is also master. So in this type of an apartment, basically we have 2 masters. Just move towards this side. No, it's a little bit dirty, so skip that. 2 masters, 3 toilets, or 4 toilets, 4 rooms, kitchen closed hall and open hall.